We are following a major story out of the Philippines.
Is expecting Haiyan to strike the Philippines.
But looking out across the city behind us, we can see
Super Typhoon Haiyan packing winds of more than 300 kilometers an hour.
When the earth moves, when the water swallows you, through the fire and the rain, all the tragedy and pain, when the wind blows, when the world comes crashing down, when everything around you falls apart, let your listen to the sound scuttling through the air. I know you feel alone in this place. The picture on the wall slowly fades away. The memories are gone forever. Silent voices weeping. Can you hear me? When the earth moves, when the water swallows you, through the fire and the rain, all the tragedy and pain, when the wind blows, when the world comes crashing down, when everything around you falls apart, let your heart be unshakable. My heart, my soul, I leave it out to you. Nothing could ever break us. We can make it through. I take away your pain, I'll wash it